Hey guys, this is Brad Berryman here with Sunrise Marine, out here today to show you this boat that we just took in. This is a 2020 Jupiter 38 HFS. The boat comes with 3 Yamaha 300s with 118 hours. For electronics, the boat is equipped with Garmin Autopilot, Yamaha Helm Joystick, Garmin XHD radar, a Seakeeper, Garmin VHF with 2 antennas, and a custom JL audio sound system. Walking around the boat, you'll notice that it has removable bow seating backrests, coffin box style seating in front of the console, carbon fiber outriggers, aquarium style livewell, release marine teak custom seats, a macerated head compartment, modular rear seating, underwater lights, and much, much more. So come out today to Sunrise Marine and come see it for yourself. Thanks.